Today in California, I trained the Seagull to jump on command. I'm going now to give this camera to my wife to record the occasion.
Okay, ready? Here we go.
Okay, where'd he go?
He's right here.
Right here. Ready? Jump. Ready? Jump. Good job. Here's the treat. You want to do it again? Ready? Jump. No. Oh, no treat for you. Ready?
No treat.
Jump. Hey, supposed to jump. Ready? Jump.
You got him
Jump.
first,
There you
Kipter.
go. Jump. Jump. Yay. Jump. Jump.
That's hilarious.
Jump. Bagel. There he comes with the bagel. Give me the bagel. Yeah, he dropped the bagel.
Oh my god.
I want the bagel. I want the bagel. Did you see the kid running away from the birds? That's awesome.
Oh man, that's hilarious.
Get him. He's got the bagel. He's got the bagel. Who else wants a bagel? Bagel.
You can't swallow that whole. Don't. Oh my gosh.
Go get him, go get him. He's got a bagel.